Hi everybody, today we are doing a pepper experiment. So the things you're gonna need is a glass of water, ground black pepper, dish soap, and a white plate. But you don't need to use a white plate, but I recommend you use it because you can see what's happening better. So first you're gonna take the water and pour a little bit in. Then you're gonna take some pepper and sprinkle it just around the sides, so it'll just be a little bit. Like that much. So when you dip your finger in the water, nothing happens. You just get some pepper stuck to your finger. But when you get a dab of dish soap, it all breaks away because you're breaking all that surface tension, and all the water molecules they pull the pepper with it onto the side. Thank you for doing this experiment. If you did, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye. I'm gonna take a dab of dish soap.